This is a behind-the-scenes look at the intricate and highly specialized process involved in constructing a 380-foot luxury high-speed trimaran. The total cost of this high-speed ferry is around $74 million. The impressive shipbuilding operations you're witnessing take place at one of the state-of-the-art shipyards operated by Austal, a renowned Australian shipbuilding company known for producing advanced high-speed vessels for both commercial and military use. At this stage, the bright yellow passenger cabin is being carefully hoisted into the air by 8 massive cranes, working in perfect coordination. This stage marks a significant step forward in bringing the Bajamar Express closer to completion and eventual deployment. Fred Olsen Express ordered 2 of these ferries simultaneously in 2017. They were delivered to them in 2021. So in total, production took over 3 years. The whole trimaran consists of 2 main parts, the passenger cabin and the control cabin and hull. Austal has 3 shipbuilding factories. Defense vessels are designed and constructed in Henderson, Western Australia, and Mobile, Alabama, U.S. Commercial vessels are constructed in Balamban, Philippines. Founded in 1988, Austal has grown significantly over the decades and now employs nearly 6,000 skilled professionals across its various facilities around the world. The ship is now almost complete, including painting, and can be launched for the first time. The process in this video is accelerated here. However, it takes several days to complete and ferry to sea. Austal's cutting-edge motion control technology delivers a smoother ride and a better onboard experience for customers and crew alike. This trimaran is also exceptional because of its high transport speed. The speed of the Bajamar Express is 37 knots. Developed through a close and strategic collaboration with Danish ferry operator Mols Linjen, this impressive 370-feet catamaran has been meticulously engineered to accommodate the latest generation of modern medium-speed 4-stroke engines. Now, in operation under the name Bornholms Linjen Express 5, the vessel holds the prestigious title of being the largest high-speed ferry catamaran in the world. This groundbreaking ship represents a significant advancement in maritime transport, blending size, speed, and environmental responsibility in one cutting-edge platform. It is powered by a medium-speed LNG-adapted power plant that offers a powerful, yet an economical and environmentally friendly solution. On this high-speed catamaran ferry, you can ride between Gran Canaria and Tenerife. You are now watching the Balamban shipyards in the Philippines. This is where the entire trimaran ferry Bañaderos Express was built. The Bañaderos Express is Fred Olsen's newest ferry. It has been in service since 2021 and has the same engine and capacity as the Bahamar Express. Bacamara was manufactured in Australia and Bañaderos in the Philippines. Therefore, both ferries could be manufactured at the same time. After taking the catamaran to sea, the finishing work on the interior of the ship continues. This is followed by testing of all the systems of the new ship before handing it over to the future owner. Fred Olsen Express will also perform testing. "450 employees of the Austell shipyard in Vietnam participated in the production of this vessel. It carries 926 passengers and 250 cars. Travel speed is 37.5 knots. In operation is this catamaran in the Caribbean off the island of Trinidad and Tobago. The launch, which takes 5 days, involves taking the vessel on a self-propelled modular transporter, SPMT, from Vietnam's Austell Vung Tau shipyard to a barge. The APT James ferry is now being towed back to Vung Tau, where the ship's interior fittings have been completed. The ship is operated by the National Infrastructure Development Company of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. This is the beginning of production for a super luxury yacht by the renowned Dutch shipyard Royal Housman. More than 370 highly skilled employees work at this shipyard, dedicated exclusively to the creation of world-class super yachts. The work is taking place at Royal Hostman's main facility in Vollenhoven, located on the Dutch coast. The shipyard's production halls are positioned directly alongside a canal with direct access to the sea, making the launch and transport process highly efficient. An essential step in pre-launch preparation is propeller testing, carried out while the yacht remains accessible on land. Each propeller is powered by its own motor and is capable of full 360-degree rotation, ensuring exceptional maneuverability once at sea. Developed and engineered to remain below 500 GT, PHI holds the record as the longest motor yacht in the world within this category. The yacht's interior was crafted by the London-based design studio Lawson Robb. During sea trials on the North Sea, PHI achieved speeds of over 20 knots despite challenging conditions. Her cruising speed is 12 knots, with a top speed exceeding 22 knots. The name PHI reflects the mathematical formula of natural proportions, which inspired the yacht's design. Its decks are themed around three concepts: the galaxy, the ocean's surface, and the underwater world. Construction of the yacht's welded steel framework requires transportation by heavy-duty trucks and tractors. Unlike many shipyards that build series yachts, Royal Hostman specializes in fully custom super yachts, often called one-off masterpieces. Royal Hostman was an early adopter of Alistar aluminium for lightweight, strong hulls, and has been a leader in integrating carbon composite masts and rigs. This connection is completed before painting, engine installation, and interior outfitting. With the bridge installed, the highest point of the vessel, the yacht begins to reveal its elegant aerodynamic silhouette. For comfort at sea, PHI is fitted with 2 advanced gyro stabilizers, and among her unique features is an infinite wine cellar for the ultimate onboard indulgence. The Royal Hoosman Shipyard Complex may not be enormous, but it is highly efficient. To move a yacht of this size, a giant multi-wheel tractor carefully transports her towards the water. When it is time for launch, the yacht is lifted by 2 colossal Phi-branded cranes. Extreme precision and caution are vital. After all, tens of millions of dollars are suspended in the air. Royal Housman has also produced other masterpieces, such as the Ngoni Superyacht, valued at around $50 million, with annual running costs of approximately $1 million. Another remarkable launch from the yard is the 155-foot Nilaya, seen here being moved from the production hall on a giant tractor trailer. Now the superyacht Nilaya is ready to make her first contact with the water. Here you can see how many Royal Hoosman employees it takes to build a superyacht like this. Nearly 100 experienced workers. Nilaya is a composite superyacht, 11% lighter than traditional aluminum yachts, offering superior performance. With a top speed of 17 knots, she has been in service since last year and continues to showcase the yard's dedication to innovation and excellence. The engines for boats and yachts are supplied by subcontractor Caterpillar. Bonetti itself operates a total of 3 shipyards in Italy. The facility in Viareggio specializes in the construction of smaller yachts and semi-custom models. The Fano yard is known for precision work and specialized yacht building, while Livorno, the largest of the 3, is dedicated to the creation of Bonetti's largest custom superyachts. The vessel is carefully lowered into a dry chamber, which is then gradually flooded with seawater to float her for the first time. Factory workers are now concentrating on electrification and painting the exterior at the same time. Together, Azimut and the Bonetti Group employ around 2,300 people across all their shipyards worldwide. This exceptional Alistar aluminum motor yacht is the world's largest true sportfish yacht, with her towering profile accommodating 6 decks. Her design is extremely distinctive, with a long bow and high bulwark sweeping through a clear sheer to a low and uncluttered cockpit aft. Helipads are common on the top deck, sometimes with retractable hangars to store helicopters safely while at sea, and certain yachts carry mini-submarines that can be launched from special bays or garages for underwater exploration. It was efficiently built by a shipyard team of more than 350 individual experts and highly skilled co-creators. This is how the largest hull was assembled here at the Royal Husman Shipyard, with a length of 295 feet. Each hull is custom engineered, ensuring it meets the client's specifications and performance goals. Prefabricated sections are joined using giant overhead cranes inside the production hall. Alistar hulls are highly polished to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency or sailing performance. Several more weeks will be spent testing engine performance controls and other testing of the mega yacht. For the first transport, mega yacht engines are not yet used, but moved by tugboats. It marks the start of the outfitting, during which various carefully selected and especially developed components will be fitted. This vessel will be both extremely lightweight and casual compared to existing carbon composite super yachts, very competitive in regattas. Custom yachts are designed entirely to the owner's specifications, while semi-custom yachts use proven hulls and systems, but allow for interior customization. The shipyard collaborates with top designers like Nuvolari Leonard, Espen Oino, and Winch Design, creating yachts that are both aesthetically stunning and highly functional. Many mega yachts have fully equipped private cinemas with reclining seats, Dolby surround sound, and sometimes hidden bars. Some yachts feature heated indoor swimming pools with waterfalls, slides, or even wave generators for surfing. Oshanko blends traditional shipbuilding skills with state-of-the-art engineering, including aluminum and steel hulls, carbon fiber structures, and hybrid propulsion systems. Large yachts are often built in prefabricated sections, then assembled at the Alblasserdam facility using precision cranes, allowing for complex structures and interiors to be integrated seamlessly. Mega yachts are essentially floating palaces, and owners often include some truly extravagant and unusual rooms that go far beyond typical luxury. Several activities are being worked on at the same time. Something is being welded, and at the same time the exterior is being prepared. Engines and furniture are being made. Some yachts include tennis or basketball courts, often on the upper deck with foldable nets and custom flooring. Wine cellars can be incredibly elaborate, with climate-controlled glass rooms capable of storing thousands of bottles. Oshanko builds for ultra-high net worth individuals, including billionaires and royals, but maintains strict confidentiality regarding its clients. Thousands of tons of heavy mega yachts are moved around the shipyard by massive tractors. Oshanko specializes in customization. Whatever the client can think of with some limitations, they can build here.